Hi, my name is Damien and welcome to CTM. Currently, I have the privilege to be at CTM in Lonial, and I want to introduce to you a vinyl flooring that is great for the market and great for you. It's called the Carya Grey new vinyl flooring solution that we do have. As you can see, it has a bit of a scrap look version to it. It has a bit of wood elements to it and a lot of detailed. It's quite detailed compared to any of our other vinyl floorings that we have. You can literally see the detail to it. And if you actually rub your fingers through to it, there's a ripple effect into this particular vinyl flooring that makes it quite unique. There are different tones to the particular vinyl flooring, and it comes with different faces to complete this beautiful look that you are getting. Some of the benefits, let me come and take you through this, that we do have with this particular product is, it's got a built-in underlay. Most of our laminate floorings need an underlay, but all our vinyl floorings already have an underlay in it. Just a simple picture depicts this. As you can see, the underlay is at the bottom. That prevents the moisture from coming up. Then it's 100% waterproofing. So you can put this product in any kitchen, any bathroom, and anywhere. The water won't damage the product. And that's the benefit of this particular product that you have here. And it's a quick and easy installation. It's got the latest click technology. So you as a consumer can have this product, or you can install this product by yourself, or you can get a qualified installer to install this, but it should be very quick and easy. But the most important guarantee of them all is it's got a 25-year warranty behind it. If you want to use it in a light commercial space, it's got a 7-year warranty behind that. And that is why our new vinyl products are the best. So as we go walking back to this beautiful hood look vinyl flooring that can fit any of your homes or any areas of your rooms, please add us to your cart, go to our CTM website, and we can bring this dream to you. Thank you.